Welcome to the newly redesigned Del Mar College website. The purpose of this video is to give you a quick overview of how to navigate through the Del Mar College website at www.delmar.edu. Starting at the very top left side of the page, you'll find the Viking toolbox. As you place your cursor over the item, you'll see a pull-down menu. Here you'll locate the academic calendar, a link to the college's bookstore, the Del Mar College catalog, a link to campus maps, information on campus security, a directory for people in offices at the college, a link to financial aid, a link to the help desk, a link to the Del Mar College libraries, and finally, a username/password link to assist in changing your email password. Continuing to the right at the very top of the page is a link to Canvas, the learning management system used for online courses. Next to Canvas is a link to Web DMC that takes you to the Web Advisor login page. Next to that is email. This takes you to the Office 365 sign-in page to access your Del Mar College email. In yellow is the Give link, where individuals can make donations to the Del Mar College Foundation. Also in yellow is the Apply link, where you'll find Del Mar College admissions information. The last area to the far right of the very top is a search field to look for specific information by typing in a subject and either clicking the magnifying glass icon or using your Enter key. Just below that very top portion is the main navigation menu of the Del Mar College website. Here you'll find a link for new students. Under New Students, you'll see a Discover section where individuals can schedule a campus tour, find out about campus life, and get facts and history about the college. In the Apply section, you'll find an admissions checklist, how to apply to Del Mar College, and information on placement exams. In the Afford section is applying for financial aid, types of financial aid available, how to pay for classes, and more. Under the Launch section, you'll find an after admissions checklist, how to clear student holds, how to register for classes, and more. Also on the main navigation menu is Current Students. Here you can locate information on registration, enrollment, paying for college, academic resources, and more. To the right of Current Students is Degrees and Programs. Under Degrees and Programs is information about degrees and certificates available at Del Mar College. CE/Workforce Ed is a link for continuing education and corporate services information. Info For will give you a drop-down menu with Foundation/Alumni that takes you to the Del Mar College Foundation section and the Alumni and Scholarship section. The Faculty/Staff link replaces the Web DMC portal page. This has frequently used links and DMC Share. Regents and Community takes you to the Board of Regents, bond websites, and more. Business/Industry takes you to corporate services, financial reports, and more. Jobs at DMC takes you to the job search and other information for potential Del Mar College employees. Doing Business with DMC takes you to the college's purchasing website with information for vendors. And Parents/Family takes you to a page with information for parents and family of Del Mar College students. On every page of the Del Mar College website, a floating banner with a Viking helmet will appear to the right. It has two links. The top link takes you directly to the Apply page. Just below is Ask the Viking. This opens a field where you can ask a question about Del Mar College. Ask the Viking is a knowledge database with a vast collection of frequently asked questions and their answers. That concludes this brief overview of navigating the Del Mar College website at www.delmar.edu.